Today is 26th of November, which is celebrated as the Constitution Day or the Samvidhan Diwas of India every year. Good morning to everyone present here. Happy Constitution Day. This is Meenakshi from class 10th conducting today's morning assembly. According to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life and its spirit is always the spirit of age. While laying the foundation stone of the Ambedkar Memorial in Mumbai, PM Narendra Modi marked November 26 as the Constitution Day. Since then, the day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee of Constituent Assembly, and his contribution in the formation of the Constitution of India. Constitution Day is a matter of national pride for all the Indians. Let us take advantage of this special day and pray that God will protect, heal, and bless our nation. Now get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, may the God hear our prayers and help us to build a Bharat in which we all citizens will live together as sisters and brothers, walk hand in hand and work together side by side. After pledge, good thoughts re-energize us, boost our spirits and refocus our day. For today's thought, I would like to call Meher from class 9th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Meher. Today's thought is, humans are mortal, so are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as the plant needs watering. Otherwise, both will wither and die. Means, at some point, people died and their thoughts and ideas also go away with them. If their ideas don't propagate, for example, if plants don't get water, they die, and watering the plants help to grow, then people get benefit from the plants. Baba Sahib said, ideas must be propagated, they must have transfer person to person, otherwise they will wither or die. Thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, Meher. May the great ideas of Baba Sahib be implemented by the generations in true sense. In our Constitution, Preamble presents the history behind its creation and the core values and principles of the nation. Now let us read together the Preamble of the Indian Constitution. After reading Preamble of the Constitution, the final draft of the Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th of November in 1949. It was legally enforced on 26 January 1950, the day that we celebrate as Republic Day ever since. Here are few facts about the Indian Constitution. For this, I would like to call Simi. Good morning, my name is Simi. I am going to aware you about some facts related to Constitution. Constitution was originally written in Hindi and in English. The English version of the Constitution of India has 1,17,369 words. The Indian Constitution is the longest constitution in the world. The Constitution was not typed or printed. Both the versions Hindi and English were handwritten. Next, the original Constitution of India was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Next, each page of Constitution was decorated by artists from Shantiniketan. The original copies of the Constitution are stored in the Library of the Parliament of India. Next, on 9th December 1946, the Constituent Assembly was the first Parliament of Independent India. Thank you. Thank you, Simi, for these knowledgeable facts about the Constitution of India. Dr. Ambedkar's contribution to the Indian Constitution is undoubtedly of the highest order. Indeed, he deserved to be called the father or the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. And now I would like to call Tanya from class 9th to deliver a speech on this important occasion of Constitution Day. National anthem is a symbol of sovereignty and the integrity of the nation. It is our patriotic salutation to our motherland. Let's salute to our motherland by singing national anthem and get ready for it. After national anthem, we are Indians firstly and lastly. Being a citizen of India, we all have some moral responsibilities and duties as the commitments mentioned in the constitutions. We must contribute in the protection of our country. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.